All right, now we're gonna do the bottom, the nozzle. There are two parts here, and same procedure. Let's try to shape it look like a fan in a fan way. Let me get this rod much smoother there. This is how I shape it. And this one here is much smaller. All right, you get the idea. It will be easier just to, there, it's easy just to fold it, but it already, it's already shaped. Now here, this one is different. Try pressing on here and keep shaping it. Get the tab and shape it inward like this. Get the other edge, which should be straight, and shape it carefully inside, like if you're gonna close a cone. There. Let's do this again here. All right, so you managed to shape it. Let's put glue now. Remember, you don't apply glue on the tab, you apply glue on the other side that will go on top of the tab. I'm not using the bottle of the glue, I'm using my little piece of cardstock and applying, that will allow me to apply glue here. So that's how, this is how you come up with your model that will look much cleaner. Let me see if the okay, I'm showing there. All right, now I'm going to press it there. Always use a tool. If you apply too much glue, well, like in this case, you have to be careful. Just remove the excess of glue. And let's again. And press firmly there. And then if you have another tweezer, you can when there are some parts on which you can use the tip of the knife to help you push that tab inside and to get a perfect fit. There. Okay. Always use tools. All right. Anyway, this segment is going to be hidden. And there you go. We completed the nozzle. Now let's put this, the top portion of the nozzle. I apply glue on this side. There. Very good. We're getting there. All right, so now we're gonna glue, let me see, yeah, this segment to this portion here. All right, so we're going to bend all these tabs to the inside, towards the inside. You can't do this by hand. You have to use a tool. The tweezer is a perfect tool to do this. There you go. So this will allow this top to sit there. But these tabs that I designed here, I mean, I could have just left those tabs out. If you want to cut them out, it's okay. But what it's gonna do is to help this piece to go inside and keep it there. So I'm going to push these tabs have to be pushed inside. And yep, with the use of a scalpel, look at this. Just move them inside. Right, you have the idea. Why? Because it will allow this piece to go there and it will keep it straight. That's what you want. Okay, so we're gonna put this here. I don't want to glue these two pieces together first. I want to glue this with this. Now in this case, I'm going to apply glue here on the inside. All right, and there it is. Follow the seam line with seam line there, and just press firmly. It's not gonna be perfect, but depending how you have cut the piece and how much curved it has been given, curved. And yes, you have to wait until it dries. If you don't have patience, you can't do this. It's a process because you will need to allow the glue to dry, but you will get there. Sometimes when you get to when you rush yourself, things don't come out good. And if it needs more glue, well, this is the time that you can detach it and apply more glue. But I think we're getting there. Just keep pressing it. We're almost finishing this model. Okay, now this, we're gonna insert it and following the seam line with seam line. So you can either do it, You can apply glue on this segment here, or put glue here, just a little bit. And just stick it there. Find the seam line with seam line. Just go all the way where the line tells you where to put. Now if you have a lot of, you have an excess glue with a little piece of cardstock, just remove it. Just remove it. You see, you have to just think this way. It has to be done cleanly. There. This bad boy didn't glue well, but it's okay. Just for demonstration only, that if it doesn't work as well, you can still remove it. Look, like what I'm doing right now. And I'm going to apply more glue. I'm going to apply more glue here. No big deal. Just put more glue. Let's do it again. Seam line with seam line. If you have excess glue, remove it. Try to keep the area clean. Keep pressing. And it will dry. So there you go. A complete new solid rocket booster for the Atlas V. Here's an original. Here's the other one. Now, there are two more pieces that I'm not gonna cover, but is this flap here. You just stick it there, and here is the indication where it's going to be glued. And then I make use of a cotton cotton swab, like this one here. I just cut a little piece and put it there, the rod. That will allow this segment to go inside the main booster, so it will attach. These solid rocket boosters are not glued to the model. They're just attached with this tab here, and with this rod. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if I know that there will be more videos to come, but if you have a question, you want to know how I make some models or how do I use techniques, just send me an email and I'll do my best in making a video for you. Thank you.